Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Mira Andriyanti, majoring in Mathematic Education in Antasari, Banjarmasin. I was made this video to fulfill the final test of English for Mathematics, and the lecturer is Mr. Ahmad, Wafa, Nizami, M.Pd. In this video, I will discuss about an angle, so enjoy the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, we will learn mathematics about an angle. With me, Mira Andriyanti, Mathematic Education student. What is an angle? In geometry, an angle can be defined as a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol like this. You can read it angle. Angle or measurement in degrees using a protractor. Here, the angle below is angle AOB. Next, part of an angle. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Here, the line OA and line OB are the arms of the angle AOB. And the common endpoint at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Here, the point O is the vertex of angle AOB. We can find angle in various things around us, such as in a pair of scissors, or a hockey stick, or in a chair, of course. Next, types of angles. The first one is acute angles, is less than 90 degrees. And the second is right angle, is exactly 90 degrees. We can see the line is look like a plus sign. Lines arranged like this are called perpendicular. There is even a special symbol that we use to show when an angle is a right angle, because they form square corner. We use a little square instead of the R that we use for the other angles. So, whenever you see this symbol, you know the angle you are looking at is a right angle, and that the lines that form it are perpendicular. Third is obtuse angles, is greater than 90 degrees but less than 190 degrees. The fourth is straight angle, is exactly 180 degrees. A straight angle is just what we get when we rotate our rays so that they point in exactly opposite direction. The result looks just like a straight line, which is why it's called a straight angle. Fifth is reflect angles, is greater than 118 degrees. The last one is full rotation, is 360 degrees exactly. Alright, then there's just a few more important geometry terms that we need to learn in this video. It's connection between angles. Okay, let's look at this simple right angle that's made from two rays, but this time we draw a third ray that cut the right angle into two smaller parts. Now, because the angle that we divide was a right angle, we know that the two new smaller angles combine to form right angles. And in geometry, any two angles that to form a right angle are called complementary angles. So, complementary angles is combined to form a right angle. And then, we can do the same thing with a straight angle. If we take a straight angle made from two rays and divide it with a third ray, two new smaller angles are formed. And those two angles combine to form a straight angle. we call this angle as supplementary angle. So, supplementary angle is combined to form a straight angle. Okay, and then the next is problem example. The question: determine the value of A in the following figure. From the figure, we can see that line from right angle, and a right angle is 90 degrees. So we can solve it by add angle 2A degrees and angle 3A degrees like this. 2A degrees plus 3A degrees equal 90 degrees. And the next is 2 plus 3A degrees is equal 5A degrees. So 5A degrees equal 90 degrees, and the next is A equal 90 degrees over 5 degrees. So we can find the value of A is 18 degrees. Next example. The question is determine the value of B in the following figure. Okay, from the picture we can see that the angle formed is an angle of 118 degrees, or we can call it straight angles. So, as we know that straight angle has an angle of 118 degrees. And then to determine the value of B in the problem, we can find it by adding all the existing angle values as follows, like this. 46 degrees plus B plus 29 degrees plus 5B plus 15 degrees equal 118 degrees. Next, 90 degrees plus 6B equal 180 degrees. The next, 6B equal 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, and 6B equal 90 degrees, and B equal 90 degrees over 6, and B is equal 15 degrees. So we have the value of B is 15 degrees. The third example. The question is, if angle A minus angle B equal 70 degrees and angle A is 3 times angle B, count angle A plus angle B. The first step, we can do this. For instance, angle A is equal A, and angle B is equal B. So we know that angle A minus angle B is A minus B equal 70 degrees. And then angle A is mean of A equal 3 point angle B, or 3 point B. So we can solve as follow. A minus B equals 70 degrees, and then A is equal 3 point B. So we can substitute A with 3 point B like this. A minus B equals 70 degrees, and next 3B minus B equal 70 degrees, and the next 3B minus B is equal 2B, okay, and then 2B equal 70 degrees, and B is 70 degrees over 2, and then we will find the value of P is 35 degrees. Okay, the next step is we will find the value of A. Before we was find the value of P, and now we will find the value of A. Sorry. The first is we know A equal 3.B, so we can substitute B with 35 degrees. So A equal 3.35 degrees and A equal 105 degrees. So we can solve this with angle A plus angle B is equal 105 degrees plus 35 degrees, and equal is 140 degrees. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. I was made this video to fulfill the final test of English for Mathematic course. Okay, then see you.